So as the politics continues, let's get you more details. We have a state-wise breakup of the deportees. There are 67 deportees from Punjab, 33 from Haryana, there are 8 from Gujarat and 3 from UP and 2 each from Goa, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and 1 each from Himachal and Jammu and Kashmir. My colleague Pavit is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pavit, when is the next aircraft of the US military expected to arrive in Amritsar? There's a lot of politics over why this location had been chosen. We also have details of the deportees. Of the 67, there are a majority from Punjab, we are told. 67, in fact, are from Punjab. What are the details of when they will be landing? And also the details of the politics that's playing out around it. I mean, the questions being raised by the opposition, is there any word on whether their conditions would be changed this time around?
See, absolutely right, Pratibha. We are well aware that today the second deportees from US will be brought to India. So around 119 Indian illegal immigrants are being deported to India today in Amritsar. The flight is expected to land around between 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. So the all eyes out today will be there on whether these deportees will be brought while wearing those shackles, which earlier we are aware that on 5th of February, when the first deportation flight landed in India, we saw that these all illegal immigrants who were bought by US military aircraft C-17 Boeing were shackled, and we even heard all those stories that were narrated by the deportees themselves, how in a very inhuman behavior they were brought to India. So right now the sources claim that most likely this batch of deportees will not be shackled, but we have to wait and watch till 10 p.m. today under what conditions these deportees will be brought back. Right, coming to your next question, like what politics is getting around there. So a lot of backlash has already started, while on one hand we have Congress who is stating that why BJP is being chosen, this is a propaganda by BJP. On the other hand, the Aam Aadmi Party, who is leading the Punjab right now, they are also claiming, even the CM Bhagwant Mann addressed a press conference yesterday in Amritsar where he asked several questions. First of his question was, why is Amritsar being chosen? Under what criteria is being Amritsar chosen? And next question which he imposed was, why are these people brought to Amritsar only? And it shows, he stated that it shows that Punjabis are not liked by BJP RSS people, and even Punjab is disliked by them. So a lot of politics over has started, but we have to wait and watch under what conditions this second batch of deportees, which is being deported by US, will land around at between 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. today. We have to wait and watch under what conditions these people are brought back to India and what all we have next.
Okay, all right, Pavit, for the moment, thank you for joining us. In fact, the Prime Minister